Question 10a. Figure 10.1 is a simplified top view of a flat coil. There is an alternating current, AC, in the coil. Describe the magnetic field of this alternating current. Okay, in physics in general, in the past, as you know, that we have once that we have a current or the charge is passing through the wire, this current is accompanied by magnetic field. And because we have an alternating current, so this one produces a magnetic field. But here, it is not a normal magnetic field, it's an alternating magnetic field as well. So this is the answer for question 10a. In section B, figure 10.2 shows a pen bat placed above the coil, and the base of the pen is made of steel. So this one is made of metal, okay? This is a good conductor of heat and electricity as well. And this section is asking to state what quantity is induced in the base of the pan, okay, to increase the temperature of the water if we have inside the pan. So logically, we can get the benefit from the previous section A. There is an electric current passing through the coil. This one creates a magnetic field here, which is an alternating magnetic field. So the magnetic field induces the electrons in the lower part of the pan to be excited and to move and form an electric current as well. So you could say at the lower or the bottom of the pan, there is an induced. Two options. You could say induced EMF, electromotive force, or voltage, induced. So there is not direct contact between the magnetic field of the coil and the electrons. So for this reason, there is no applied voltage. You have to say there's a kind of induced EMF or induced current because of the effect of magnetic field or alternating magnetic field made by the alternating current. In section C, the pan contains water. State and explain the effect of the quantity induced in part B on the temperature of the water in the pan. So because of the EMF induced, so the temperature logically increases or increased. So the temperature increased, and this is because the induced electric current or the induced EMF in the lower or the bottom of the pan. So this is induced electric current in the base of the pan. Please do not forget to mention where exactly, because this is the section at which the electric current is being induced.